Is it time to buy or sell the SOXL ETF? In this video, we will explore the SOXL ETF in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 12th of September, 2024, and now we are here to provide an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You certainly do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since the 22nd of August, 2024, our system has ranked SOXL as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 4.64. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has seen a decline of 15.20%. This equates to an average daily loss of 1.01% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund is positioned at the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This situation often presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back toward the lower part of the trend is to be expected. A breakout above the top trend line at $32.82 would first indicate a slower rate of decline and may signal an initial shift in the trend. An analysis of the current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of 52.87% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 83.15% to negative 51.37%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a potential change of 73.76% over the next year, with possible returns between 44.55% and 305.95%. This implies a price range of $45.98 to $129.13 after a year. Our latest daily update for SOXL includes the headline, SOXL ETF price down 1.27% on Thursday. The SOXL ETF price declined by 1.27% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 12th of September 2024. The price dropped from $32.22 to $31.81. During the last trading day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 7.71%, with a daily low of $30.35 and a daily high of $32.69. Over this period, the price has shown volatility, resulting in a loss of 13.09% over the last 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume decreased on the last day alongside the ETF price, which is generally a positive sign, as volume trends should align with the ETF movement. On the last day, trading volume fell by 44 million shares, with a total of 97 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $3.08 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $70.08, while the lowest price was $14.01. Currently, the price is 54.61%, or $38.27, below the 52-week high. It is also 91.59%, or $346.43, below the all-time high reached on November 26, 2020, when the price peaked at $378.24. Amid ongoing volatility in the semiconductor sector, SOXL, a leveraged exchange-traded fund focusing on semiconductors, has been experiencing significant fluctuations. As of mid-August 2024, SOXL has seen a dramatic decline, down approximately 52% since mid-June, following a period where its value had nearly doubled from April to June. This sharp downturn is partly a result of broader market corrections impacting major players in the tech space, including NVIDIA and AMD. The current market landscape indicates that while some investors are betting on a tech rebound, many are feeling the effects of recent sell-offs. Notably, increased inflows into leveraged exchange-traded funds, totaling around $2.4 billion last week, suggest a keen interest in high-risk assets amid this turbulence. However, caution is advised, especially considering the impact of external factors like the yen carry trade, which has introduced heightened market volatility and risks of accelerated decay in leveraged products like SOXL. In the short term, SOXL's performance will heavily depend on the direction of semiconductor stocks and the broader market sentiment toward tech. If semiconductor stocks rebound, SOXL could amplify those gains due to its leveraged nature. However, the current landscape warns of potential pitfalls, making investors wary of holding such volatile assets for extended periods. Over the long term, the viability of SOXL will hinge on the recovery of the semiconductor sector and the overall tech market, as well as global economic factors that could shift investor confidence. The following signals have been identified for SOXL. Today, the signals for the ETF are mixed. The SOXL ETF holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average, this creates a more negative forecast for the stock. If there are further gains, the ETF will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $34.87. Conversely, if the price declines, the ETF will find some support from the short-term average at $29.40. A breakout above the long-term average will provide an additional buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will create another sell signal, reinforcing the overall trend. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, August 21st, 2024, and since then, the ETF has declined by 23.77%. Additional declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume should ideally follow price movements. Here are some additional signals that may catch your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots provided a sell signal 16 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy opportunity from 105 days ago. The short-term moving average has given a buy signal 3 days ago. Conversely, the long-term moving average signaled a sell 42 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 39 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average also provided a sell signal 37 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 27 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $29.34 and $27.89. There is a natural risk involved when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level, as a break below this level may lead the fund to the next support level. In this case, SOXL finds support just below today's level at $29.34. If this level is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $27.89 and $25.96. This exchange-traded fund may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and given the broad prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this fund is considered to be very high risk. Over the past day, the fund moved $2.34 between its high and low, which is a change of 7.71%. For the past week, the fund has exhibited a daily average volatility of 11.21%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOXL. In the event of an upward trend, The first resistance level for SOXL is at $32.22. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a viable point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SOXL encounters its first support level at $29.34. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point anticipating a rebound. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and there is no stop-loss established. Is SOXL ETF a good buy? Currently, SOXL exhibits several negative indicators, and we anticipate that its performance will remain weak in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, we maintain a negative outlook on this ETF. After assessing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is overinflated. For trading on Friday, the 13th of September, we predict SOXL will open down by approximately 194 thousandths of a dollar, starting at $31.62. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.